Hi friends, it's my class 34. Problem solving by axial bending. Designed SP16 IS456 is used here. Problem. Design a short collar subjected to biaxial bending to the data given. Size of collar 400 into 400 mm. Factual load P is equal to 1200 kilonewton. MUX is given as 85 kilonewton meter. MUY is 45 kilonewton meter. M20 and Fe415 materials are used. Let us assume 1% reinforcement. Let d dash by d is equal to 1.5. Chart for 0.15 and M20 and Fe450 is used. P by FCK is equal to 1 by 20 is equal to 0.05. For 0.05 P by FCK, find PU FCK BD is equal to 1200 into 10 cube by 20 into 400 into 400 equals 0.375. For 0.375 and 0.05 in the chart 0.15 is used. Mu by FCK BD square is equal to found as 0.08. Now Mu x1 is equal to 0.808 into FCK BD square. Mu x1 is the uniaxial moment capacity is equal to 102.4 into 10 raised to 6 Newton millimeter is equal to 102.4 kilonewton meter. P is equal to D, therefore MUX1 is equal to MUY1 is equal to 102.4 kilonewton meter. PZ is equal to PZ is equal to 0.45 FCK AC plus 0.75 FY Given values, substituting the values of FCK, AC, FY and AAC. AC is equal to 1%. AC is equal to 1 into 400 into 400 by 100 is equal to 1600 mm square. AC is equal to 1,58,400 mm square. PZ is equal to 1923.6 kilonewton. PU by PZ 1200 by 19 23.6 is equal to 0.625. For PU by PZ from table 0.624, alpha n is equal to 1.707. Substitute in the equation 85 by 102.4 the whole raised to 1.707 plus 40 by 5 102.4 all raised to 1.707. We get 0.727 plus 0.245 equals 0.972, which is less than 1. Hence the reinforcement assumed is correct. 1600 mm square. Provide 8 pairs of 16 mm dia. 1608 mm square. 8 mm stirrups at 300 mm center to center. Thank you.